Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to talking about something really useful in Salesforce, that is global search. Because honestly, if you don't know how to search properly, you will waste lot of time clicking one by one. So let's learn how we can use global search smartly. Okay, first we need to understand what is global search in Salesforce. It is the search bar at the top in Salesforce. You can see we have a search bar in top. So this is we call it as global search bar. You type anything like name, company, phone number, even it will present in different objects and Salesforce find it for you. It's a very simple, right? Alright, let's try with a basic search. So I will click on this top bar. I will search name like Alex. So if I click on Alex, click on enter, it will show all the result. In contact, I have a one record which is name related to Alex. In receipt also, I have a two records that is related to Alex name. In individual also, I have a one record. I am currently getting results from different objects like contacts, receipts, individual like that. So this is how global search works. If again you click on the global search, it will show the recent search. Whatever the record we recently searched, that record will be visible in here. So again, we no need to type again that same record. So how we can boost our searching capabilities? So you just search off name, type partial spelling, no need of full spellings. I just type Alex, it will show the record related to Alex like that. Use phone number emails directly. For example, if I search phone number, if I click on enter, it will show all the record related to this phone number. This is also one of the way to get the particular records which is related to phone number. This global search bar works across multiple objects once. So no need to go with each object by object. So it will entirely take all the object at once. In real time example, a customer calls you and say his name is Puneet. So without search Puneet, you just go with Puneet name. So it will show all the records. Open the record and you can get all the details. So this is how powerful it is. Some common issues people face: trying wrong spelling and saying record not found. If you type wrong spellings, your record not able to fetch. Not using filter, getting confusing with too many results. If we get any record, it will relate it to different object. You always need to choose the which record you need. So you always need to check the recent item because your record is found in recent item. You can directly fetch that records. If your searching is not giving correct result, it could be due to search layout settings or field is not included in your search. So this is something admins can configure. For your reference, I will search different things. For example, I need to open one particular receipt. So that receipt is present in receipt object. So instead of navigate to that particular receipt object, I will just directly getting that. So how? Like this. If I type the name, it will automatically fetch that record. In here also you can see R00 is related to receipt object. So that's why it's showing 1. How many records are present for each object. So this is how we can use the global search in Salesforce. Simple feature, but if you use properly, it will save a lot of time of yours. So I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.